kind of story is that? Why are you laughing like that?
Enki, what is going on here? You are also laughing.
Hey, but it's not my fault. It's not my fault that I'm laughing. Even Amaka is laughing too.
See, this one is a different one. It's different.
Sometimes I even wonder, the way Amaka tells us story, she will not turn us to semi-mad ladies.
Oh. Do you know what happened last night?
No.
Please tell us, what is it?
No, you tell us.
See, last night, I saw Papa and Mama. They thought I was sleeping, no? I was pretending to be sleeping. But I caught Papa and Mama doing Ife Arani, doing bad things. Amaka. Why is it that sometimes you talk so carelessly and stupidly sometimes? What is it?
Baby, Chica, just hold it there, but there. Don't talk to my army baby like that. Army baby! Look at who is talking as if you are holy. Come on, get out.
So Amaka, tell us, you said you saw your Papa and Mama doing.
So, as I was saying, Papa was on top of Mama doing. And Mama was shouting, Papa Maka, Hadao! Papa Maka, Hadao! Papa Maka, Hadao!
I trust you. I know you're very smart. Papa Maka, Hadao! Papa Maka, Hadao!
Amaka, so just, can you use the exact voice?
It's the voice now! Papa Maka, Hadao! Papa Maka, Hadao! Papa Maka, Hadao! This Amaka, you must Amaka.
But in everything you do, beware of Amaka. Put your hand in
Mama, my powerful mother. Mama.
Amaka, this one you're hailing me like this, I know it will never be in vain. What is it?
Mama, you know that you are very powerful. You're a very powerful woman, no? So let me tell you, I saw you and Papa. I saw you and Papa last night doing.
Doing it?
I saw you and Papa doing now, and you were shouting, Hadao, Hadao, Papa Maka.
I hope you have not told anyone.
Mama, I only told my friends so. Hey! Just my friends. No.
Hi, Amaka, what is wrong with you now? Eh? You're a big lady now. You're a big girl. It is not everything you see you tell people.
But Mama, I told my friends because it was fun watching you. You know I like to tell funny stories.
Don't tell anyone again. Just shut up. Don't talk again.
Hey.
Hi.
But the way you were shouting, Hadao, Papa Maka.
Amaka, shut up.
Mama.
Don't tell them anything. Amaka,
Mama.
Don't say anything again. Let's go. Don't be sure.
As long as I live, he must do it. Except I didn't suggest it. Chukwu Abiyama has given me the grace.
Why don't you suggest it? It will be a wonderful thing to happen to this our humble family.
William, consider it done. I am, and I still remain, Ije Ama. Akatagbachiru's on one of Mbise Kingdom.
Amaka. Amaka, the newscaster. Tell us the latest.
Amaka, my ever smiling, or should I say, my ever laughing Amaka.
And my powerful Papa.
That is me.
Papa with the power of the old.
That is me. But as you can see, Amaka, your mother and I are having an important discussion. Eh? So if you don't mind, just excuse us, okay?
I'm just passing. I know that it will always be important. In fact, I know the topic of your negotiation. I know that you people are discussing where next to do. Hado is sweet, Hado.
Amaka.
This night, Abi?
Amaka. Amaka, just pass. Just pass.
I'm passing.
Just pass.
Hado.
Amaka. Amaka. Don't talk again. Just pass.
Wait. I think her childhood sickness has affected her mental health.
I thought by now she would have overgrown the negative impact.
I thought so myself.
Ay, what a shame she's bringing to our family.
Anyway, don't worry. I am in charge. Everything will be fine. Calculator. Your husband is a calculator, trust me. Computer.
Father, you did a very funny man.
No, what happened. As I was saying, my daughter Nkechi, you see, there's an adage by our elders that says, a rat that wants to live long and train his kids should not go close to fish or any bait on the trap. On your okay. Am I him? You should not do timbon, should not try his luck with that.
Nice, Zako. Can you ever make a statement without an idiom?
That is not possible. Because that is what I inherited from my father. You know, those are words of wisdom. And as he said in Igbo land, idioms and parables are the oil which the elder used to eat their words. It is because of these idioms and parables that the Igwe and the elders and council decided to make me the underworld of this kingdom.
Father, there is no doubt about that. We all know that you are wise and knowledgeable community leader. Father, you have to tell us, what is the meaning of that adage? We want to know.
My dear, that adage is for you. You know, you are meant for the prince of this kingdom, Prince Chukwudalu. So you have to be very careful with men.
Father, I have been very careful, and you can vouch for me on that.
You are very careful, yes, but to vouch for you. My dear, you're a beautiful young lady. And men have sugar-coated tongues. I know how I confuse you. They can confuse you or even confuse you. So that's why I'm saying you should be careful.
But Father, that is not for me. You know me too well. No man can ever convince me or confuse me. I am very careful.
No, not you, my daughter.
Okay, that is good that you are careful. I'm just doing the role of the father because it's said that advice, not just every advice, good advice is second mother to a child. When your mother will not be there, those good advice that will be guiding you. I'm just doing my job as a father.
Prince Miracle, I want you to take our father's advice very serious. Take your medical studies very, very importantly. I want our family to become a bunch of professionals in future.
Yeah, I've had you. You know, you've always been my role model. And if you can make a first class in electrical engineering, why should I make lesser?
Well, I want you to beat me to it.
Oh, I will. I definitely will, by the grace of God, bro.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
Do you know that our father is the first educated traditional ruler of this community?
Wow. Wow. I didn't know. No one told me.
Well, history has it that he was made the king because of his educated and wise and enlightened state. So I want this family to maintain the status quo.
We shall.
Medical doctor, electrical engineering, and the list goes on and on.
We shall. We shall remain the best royal family, present, past, and future this kingdom has ever known.
That's the spirit of a warrior.
Cheers to it, bro.
Cheers. Cheers.
Yeah. So that was made the
Yes. All those traditional rulers are not, educated.
I can imagine.
Amaka, you should try to control your tongue and overcome this temptation.
Are you correcting me? You see that you are very brainless. You are brainless. You don't know that you're a prodigal son.
Me prodigal son. You are a very senseless moron.
You are talking to me. You are talking to me, Amaka. Very soon now, Papa and Mama will be shouting, Hadao, Hadao, Hadao. Then you will know what I'm saying.
What is going on here? Godwin. Oh, Godwin. You have all the time to waste talking to this one? This semi-mad girl?
Mama, go. Let me talk to her. She's bringing shame to this family.
In fact, Mama, anytime I hear you singing, Hadao, Hadao, I will use rope to tie you and Papa. I'm going.
This Amaka is not well, though. Truly, she is not well. Indeed, you're not well. No, I rather don't want. But it's not everything she says you respond to now.
Mama, she's very stubborn.
Just let her be. You know her condition. Go wherever you want to go.
Mama, you have to do something. She's bringing shame to this family.
Amaka,
close your mouth for once. What is wrong with you? Are you okay? They say sin is believing, but mouth is not meant to say everything eyes see.
My son, your sister is not doing all these things on purpose. It's a problem. You can imagine at her age, she cannot cook. Neither can she sweep properly.
Mama, so instead of allowing her walk freely and disgracing this our family, why don't we take her to a psychiatric home where she'll be well taken care of?
Godwin, Mama. Hey, so that the news will go around this community that the daughter of a high chief is mad. Can you take this shame?
So Mama, so you are saying it is better we let her walk around this community, spreading the existing and non-existing news.
My son, you don't have to worry. Your father is on the case. Oh?
Mama, it has better be you, because Amaka is a disgrace to this family.
Okay, shut up and eat the food, Ini. Lenin are talking. Respect yourself.
I'm sorry, Mama.
Lenin are talking here.
Our last meeting with the Commissioner for Chieftaincy Affairs was a slapdash. I was chided, reason being that I failed my duty to form a local vigilante group as was directed by the governor. I really don't know what to make of this.
Your Majesty, with due respect, there's an adage that says, if an adult ties a wrapper that is torn and walks along the road, and his backside is showing, and the children laughs at him, you shouldn't blame the children. This forming of vigilante group has been overdue. So I will say in the other way round that you attracted whatever insult you got from that meeting. I'm appealing to you, please set up this vigilante group so that all this insult and embarrassment will stop coming. That's what I'm saying.
Your Majesty, I stand to correct an impression from your know. Your Majesty, it is high time you identified some hypocrites amongst us, the cabinet chiefs.
Your Majesty,
it is a very big shame that the GEB will rush into an argument and in the end you will make any reasonable or sensible point out of it. Ichezoko, yes, I see that as an insult. And I demand an apology. And I won't. No.
It's enough. Let's be calm, Dikeh. Ichezoko, I know you are still saying something. Good.
Your Majesty, this is for him. With all due respect, Your Majesty, your continuous delay appointing this vigilante group makes people to point accusing finger on you as if you have a skeleton in your cupboard. With all due respect. Your Majesty, I think I stand with his chair, Ezoku, on this. Please, Your Majesty, end all this. End it now. I think we should make this appointment today, right now, and inaugurate them immediately. Your Highness, let us be sure that our communities are secure.
May our ancestors bless you. Your Majesty, we really need this security outfit. Consider the insecurity situation in the kingdom. Please, make this appointment.
Your Majesty, before I address the substantive issue, I want to react to the derogatory analogy of Onowu here, who is supposed to be the number 2 citizen of this kingdom, as against your exalted personality. I take exception to his using your exalted personality, using the example of somebody wearing a torn cloth for an Igwe. I mean, no. I'm not even talking of these ones. Saying our Igwe has a skeleton in his cupboard and what have you. So I take exception to that to start with. And I think we'll address that at a later date. On the bone of contention, Your Majesty, I, Iche Ama, the Agadagba Chiruzon 1 of Imbise Kingdom, will not accept the constitution of any vigilante group at this time. And the reason is very simple. At this point in time, our community has competing ends in form of projects that are crying for the scarce resources at our disposal. So, talking about forming a vigilante group now is not acceptable by me.
How can you be saying this? Is anything more important than securing life? Is it not life first before any other project or property?
Yeah, let's be calm. Let's be calm. Before this meeting, I have concluded that our vigilante group will be formed. As the people of this great kingdom, and the chairman of traditional royal council, I hereby appoint.
It was on!
Mana Ndiche, I have said this before, and I will say it once again. there is a very strong cabal running among us, the Ichies.
Ichie Ozumba, the word they are all true. Factual as a matter of fact. This cabal is so strong that there's always a meeting before our own meeting.
Not just meeting before meeting. They also have a meeting during meeting and meeting after meeting. Ogenede, have you not wondered why the Igwe does not take the opinion of any other Ichie, apart from just a selected few?
Ichie Ozumba, you are right. You cannot cover pregnancy. Let us in 9 months, everything will be clear. Our suspicion is now clear that there is cabal in our midst.
Exactly.
But I'm assuring you, as the only one of this kingdom, I will do something about it.
Oh no, did you say assure? Assure? Oh no, please, don't just assure us. Whatever you are doing to end this matter, please do it very fast.
Oh no. As we speak now, I'm still confused. How can no single Ichie have such influence and domineering power over our Igwe? We are not even talking of ordinary Igwe. A first class Igwe for that matter. But I'm assuring that it will not continue like this. You see, one thing I want you to understand is that when you see bears dancing along the road, there must be drummers beating drum for them in the bush. And if you don't find those drummers and take care of them, that dancing will not stop. I'm assuring you, as the owner of this kingdom, I will find those drummers and take care of them. I'm telling you, this thing cannot continue like this.
Because we must attack this thing. Head on.
It will not continue.
Your Majesty, with your position in the society, I am of the opinion that the government is supposed to bring meaningful development in terms of projects to our community. But the reverse seems to be the case. Why?
Icha Ama, do not worry yourself so much. The governor has assured me that he will finance any project coming from us, including this security outfit we are planning.
Come on, Your Majesty. You should know how deceitful these politicians are. I mean, if the governor is really serious with his promise to you, so to say, well, he should have brought projects like health center or hospital to our community. Don't you think so?
You see, all these facilities you are clamoring for, we come just in place, right? In time they will come. The governor is interested in securing the lives and property first.
But Your Majesty, you keep referring to the security thing. I try to avoid it because I am not sure that you are aware of the politics Onowu and his cohorts, his lawyers are playing over the security issue. You are not.
What politics?
Your Majesty, you see, the sons of Ozurumba and Ezio should go to the city to join their counterparts, their colleagues from this community and look for meaningful jobs to do, rather than jostling for jobs in our locality here. We are not prepared to include them in the Vigilante group because I know that is why their fathers are agitating on their behalf. They are manipulating, and I'm not about accepting that.
Chairman,
Your Majesty,
you're a wise man. You know, I nearly appointed Ichie Ozumba's son as a leader of the group. Thank our ancestors that you called back my attention.
You see, Your Majesty, it is good that we discussed it now because you would have rescinded your decision if you had done that. Anyway, you know I'm at your service anytime you want.
Oh, is this what is going on?
I mean, what? So you like the biology paper you wrote in your senior secondary school examination?
Very well, oh. Very well. You know, this is the 4th time I'm writing this exam. Yes. And I'm very sure that this time around, one will pass.
Amen. Amen. Because I am seriously praying for you to pass.
Yes, so.
4 times, so all the quiz you need to pass. So tell me, why do you like that particular paper?
It is the Lord's doing, oh. It is the Lord's doing.
My ears are inching. Tell me, what did the Lord do this time?
See, on that fateful day, Aminwa walked into the examination hall wearing koi shoe.
Hey.
And my shoe was disturbing the entire hall.
Baby! Hey! One koi shoe. Go live there. Hey! What did you do?
Okay, as soon as the examination paper landed on my table, see, in fact, just ask me what the question was.
Hey, I did not go to the examination with you now.
Just ask me now.
Okay. What was the question?
The question was, draw a female reproductive organ.
You don't mean it? You will fail it, oh. I know you don't know that part. You fail it.
Hey. Oh. Hey. No. As soon as the examination paper landed on my desk, I went into the toilet, bent down, and copied from the original. No invigilator caught me. Nobody caught me.
Hey, what you did is very bad. In fact, what you did is what they call exam malpractice. How can you go into the examination hall with answer sheets? It's not good now.
Thank you. Which paper? You don't understand what I'm saying.
What are you saying?
Look, the question was, draw a female reproductive organ. And I have one. Don't I have it? So I copied from the original.
Hey, what? You copied from the original?
Yes, now.
What? So you opened your legs and you started copying.
You
copied from yes. You cannot fail this one. I'm proud of you.
Let me tell you, as I was copying from the original, when I bent down and I look up, one examiner, a man, was always looking at me. Lustfully. Every time he was looking at me. I bent down again. I look up. He's still looking.
Don't worry. The good news is that you're not going to fail.
Yes, I will.
You will not give me high five. Drink more Fanta. Drink, I'll buy you more. You're not going to fail. The smartest in this village. You fast. Drink. If you want more Fanta, I'll bring more Fanta for you. Drink. You fast.
Your Majesty, you have no excuse to give to the government. Other traditional rulers have successfully, respectfully put their security outfits in their various communities.
Son, I am in a worrisome mood. The reason is that my chiefs are in different and divided opinions, as it were.
But all the chiefs are in support, except Ichiama and partly Ichie Ibe. The majority, they say, carries the vote.
The principal agitator here is Ichiama. Ibe is not the problem.
But Your Majesty, Onowu is in support. Onowu is your second in command. You cannot afford to disobey the governor. You know he's that strict. Remember what he did to the traditional ruler that left the community without his consent. He suspended them. You cannot do that, Father. You cannot disobey him all because of Ichiama and Ichiebe. You can't.
Amaka, close your mouth for once. What is wrong with you? Are you okay? They say seeing is believing, but mouth is not meant to say everything eyes is see. No, mama. But your own case is different.
Anyways, thank you for coming to pay me this visit.
Thank you too. But Enki, I want to ask you a question.
Okay, what is it?
Okay, my question goes like this. If you are walking on the road and a man stops you and says, "Hello, how are you?" Can that lady be pregnant? Why are you laughing?
Amaka, you're funny.
Hey.
That is just a simple question. It cannot impregnate a lady. Okay, you can only get pregnant if he kissed you or touched you.
A man kiss me. Kiss me. Hey, I would just bite his tongue and chew it. Don't you know that thing is if I ran? You don't know.
Amaka, that is just an ordinary compliment. It cannot get you pregnant. Oh?
But, you know, if a man is... Amara, you know I'm asking her a question here and she's just laughing.
Don't mind her, she's just being funny.
Okay, let me repeat my question again. I said that...
Don't worry, don't mind her.
Tell me. But I... Oh,
let us go, big girl. Let's go. Thank you. You've done enough. Amaka, please, I don't want to. Right? No, when she came to see me, don't mind.
You people are making me feel
exempting you.
You are doing these things behind.
My daughter, you see, life is not an easy road to those who feel the home. You see, leadership is one of the crippling tasks here on earth. So it's not that easy.
That's true. But not only on earth. Even God the Creator knows this. He has never found it easy. I mean, you can't please everybody.
Oh, I see. There you are. Because loyalty is what's the fortune. If not, there wouldn't have been a cook there in heaven. Lucifer wanted to take over and then he struck.
Sure. Everybody wants to rule. But when the chips are down, they realize that uneasy lies the head and wears the crown. His Majesty.
My
beautiful
daughter to be.
Princess, my beautiful princess. Princess, Wanyoma. So beautiful. Thank you.
How is your parents doing?
Oh, my king. They are fine as always. And how are you, my beautiful princess? I'm fine. Well, I can see it's all over you. Looking beautiful as always. Your dress looks gorgeous, I must say.
Wow. Just call one of the domestic staff to bring her something. You need to sit.
My king, please don't be need for that. I am actually here to see the king of my heart, Prince Shukudalo.
There you are. In his favorite spot.
I know. My princess, why not walk me a bit?
Oh, that's no, I'm having a tete that oh my God.
Oh, okay, no problem, my king. But I promise you, once I'm done with my king, I'm running down here. Let's go. My king, I'll be back. Have fun. Thank you.
So, Uncle, I'm here to take Amaka back with me, based on your request.
I want to thank you. I appreciate the fact that you accepted my request. And I'm convinced that taking her out of this community will have great positive impact on her.
You're right. And help rehabilitate her.
No problem, I'll try my best. I'm not ignorant of what is happening in this family. I'm sure environmental influence will help her a lot.
Thank you very much.
Uncle is nothing.
Hey, look who we have here. It's Auntie Julie.
How are you?
Auntie Julie, I'm so happy to see you. Auntie Julie, you are looking so pretty and robust.
Stop.
Tell me, what is the secret?
The secret is God.
God? How can? Are you living with God in the same house like Papa and Mama?
Okay, stop it. God is everywhere.
Hey. Is he here now?
Of course. in spirit. Amaka, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're looking good as well.
Baby, just relax. Your call-up later will be out soon.
Babe, I know, but I just can't wait to experience life in camp. You know, you've always told me that it's all full of fun.
Huh. Wait, are you indirectly telling me to my face that you ain't gonna miss me?
Says who? Of course I will miss you. Okay, wait. What if I am posted to Lagos, where you reside?
Well, that means it will be full of fun.
I see.
Before the end of your service year, we will be coming back to this palace with our first child.
Babe! No. Is that your plan? So you want us to have our kids without a proper marriage? Do you know what? I am going to pray they post me in a different city where you don't reside.
Too late. Can I shock you?
Shock me, baby. Shock me.
My father,
Okay.
as I'm talking to you right now, my father has spoken to the authorities to post you right here in our state. So it's late.
What?
Yeah.
Baby, you did that?
Yeah, we
You
did.
spoke to your father?
Uh-huh.
Oh my goodness, Chukudaluya. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
You know I love you.
I love you more. As the next queen of this kingdom, you need to be close.
I know. I just don't want to miss you. Not like I
Well,
want
you were
to.
just happy now.
No, baby. Not like I want to be posted somewhere.
That's what happened.
Thank you all the same, my friends. It's not that I'm complaining. Even though I complain, I know I cannot do anything to salvage my situation in this palace. The only thing I pray every day is for Lolo to follow justice in matters concerning me in the palace here. That's what I pray for every day, my prince.
Ijoma, it's okay. I want you to be very careful. I want you to always be careful in anything you are doing. Okay? Whenever the Lolo sends you on an errand, just do it to the best of your ability, okay? Everyone in this palace knows that my mother is a perfectionist, so just try to avoid mistakes, okay?
My friends, you know I'm trying. Everybody in this palace knows that I'm very loyal and humble. Eh? But it's okay. I've heard all you said, and I promise I'm going to do better. I'll try and work on being better.
I like it, the fact that you want to work on being better, because being better never gets enough, okay? So just try and be better, alright?
Yeah.
In my little way, I'm going to talk to my mom about you.
You will do that for me?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Hey, thank you.
Fine.
Let me run along before Her Majesty starts looking for me. Thank you. Thank you once again.
Mother, I guess you're ready to give me.
Yes, so I'm ready. Let me go so that Mama and Papa can continue their matrimonial anthem.
Amaka, please. I don't understand that.
Please, Julie, don't mind her clownish jokes, okay?
Julie, just drive safely.
Okay.
Don't be distracted by her.
Amaka can disturb.
People can continue making jest of me. Auntie Julie, my only offense is that I caught Mama and Papa shouting, Hadao, Hadao,
Amaka!
Okay, Mama. I know you want me to close my mouth. I'll close it. Let me go and pack my things so I can be going.
Please hurry.
No problem. As for this Godwin, this Efulefu, I'll come back and meet you here.
Please hurry. Oh, please, okay.
Don't mind her. Don't mind her because
so funny.
She is.
I'm sure we are going to miss her.
I will.
We will miss her.
Are you sure?
Bye, no.
Hey, well, good riddance to a very big thorn in our flesh. She was a problem personified. But Amakanwa, I will miss her.
I'm missing her already.
Oh.
I just pray God delivers her from that attack.
Mama, sometimes I believe Amaka pretends. She knows what she's doing.
Will you shut up? Don't think I'm not going to tell you what to do. How do you expect a grown-up girl like that to pretend at that age when her mates are already in the universities and some are married? Don't say those kind of things about your sister again. Idiot.
Simna Akupoiso, I told you to stop saying derogatory things about your sister. That I don't think.
I'm sorry, Mama. Just that sometimes Amaka can get on one's nerves.
Yeah, okay. Listen to your mother and keep quiet. Now get out from here. Idiot. Get out! Idiot. So again. I'm not fear. Let me be going, yeah? I'll see you later. Alright?
Okay.
Remember, bushmeat. Bushmeat.
Bush money. Bush money. Bush money.
I know you are missing me already.
Bye bye.
I want to enter to so long. What?
It wasn't easy convincing Ichoma, you know. Look, she was really aggrieved. Telling her to put the past behind her wasn't easy at all.
Really? Please. Prince Miracle, I can't remember asking you to love me. Yes. I know I'm not your match. Or equal with you. Yes, I know that. But instead of you breaking my tender heart, it's better you leave me alone now.
I don't understand you at all. I don't understand you. You were the one who encouraged me to go talk to Ijeoma. And now you're angry that I did what? For taking time to talk to her?
And maybe I was the one who instructed you to kiss and carry her on your thighs, right?
And
Yeah.
where's this coming from? Unto what? What's the meaning of this now?
Unto nothing. You like nonsense.
Chidima, would you come back?
Chidema. Chidema. I'm talking to you.
Martha, do you know that power and connection works hand in hand?
Of course. Power is even more important than riches.
Martha, you are very correct. Do you know that my National Youth Service posting has been influenced by His Highness?
How is that possible?
I know you will be surprised. Okay, Prince Chukwudalu has always wanted me to serve in the state. So he pleaded with his father. And the Highness called the governor. And they just concluded the deal just like that.
Eh? Ezioku.
Ezioku, they just concluded.
This is the
no
best
stress.
news in go this year. In fact, it's prayer answered.
Master, do you mean to tell me that you've been praying over my posting?
Yes, so each time I remember that they might post you to Bodugu or where I don't know. Will be a map.
Mama. Mama Nkechi.
Oh,
Mama Nkem.
Eh?
Mama, I'm beginning to suspect you. Are you sure you did not conspire with him to champion this cause? Edition.
He read my mind and made Zuelomia. Eh?
Hey, Mama. I know you are happy. Me too, I'm happy.
Very, 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 very happy. Eh? You know the Bemunso.
Hey, for me it's quick. You have to really rest. After you've not even been to the university before.
I got one, my dear. I don't even know what is Keke was there. National Organization.
Youth Service.
I am sent here to guide Your Majesty.
And my parents want me to face my job squarely. Any other thing aside that, count me off.
You always sit on the fence whenever it's come to any issue concerning any of us. Benti, it could be your turn tomorrow.
I hear. I hear.
And in case, Chizaram, anything happens to you tomorrow, don't expect help from any of us, more especially me.
Who are you to rescue someone from the hand of the queen?
Ewo.
If you want, go and comfort her yourself. Go.
Even if we cannot rescue her, but we can at least pleasantly present the issues to Prince Tukudalo. On our water, water. He understand.
Where is he?
Now you are getting the point. Prosper. Now you are getting the point. Because we all are in this together.
I am not with any struggle with you guys. I am on my own as long as this case is. If the queen like, she should kill Ijoma. And if Ijoma like, she should use her number 6. You see this case, I'm off it. Can't me off from it.
You are leaving. Ewo. So you are leaving?
Now it's making sense. It's making sense, you know? She's good.
May you live long, Your Majesty. May you live long, Your Majesty.
Son, it is well with you.
Are you okay?
Oh, nothing so special. Uneasy, they say lies the head and wears the crown. It's just the challenge of this crown I am protecting.
Well, I believe you can handle any situation. I trust your prowess in cultural matters.
So, mortals are delusional most times.
Oh yeah. You can't actually do anything without God.
That's what can mortal do without God.
Exactly.
Yes, I see you prepared for...
Oh yes, I'm ready to leave. I want to let you know.
It's well with you.
Thank you, Father.
Take care of yourself.
Take it easy.
Action. Godwin, see, if you think you will be in this house and I'll be the one to go to the market, fetch firewood, fetch water, go to the kitchen, cook and serve you, that's not possible.
Mama, if that is why you forced Amaka out of the house so you can turn me to a houseboy, it won't work.
You see your life? Were you not the same person who was suggesting we put Amaka in a psychiatric home instead of her to be disgracing our family? Were you not the one?
Mama, I only gave a suggestion. I have never decided for this family. So don't put the blame on me.
Okay. I don't care about your stupid suggestion. My own is that as long as Amaka is not in this house, you are taking over all her responsibilities. Whether you like it or not. If not, you will starve.
Me, starve in my own father's house. If that should happen, that means there's an error somewhere.
That error is you. The error is you. So, you have gone to you have grown. You now challenge me. I will know how much you contribute in this house. Let me see where it will lead you.
Senior son.
Will you shut up, fool? Let your father come back. Okwagi? Okay.
There must be change. There must be reformation in the palace. If not, Chifibe, if not, there will be crisis in this kingdom.
Chifama, let's take it easy. His Majesty is still Igwe. He could take some rash decisions against you.
Moi. Rash decisions against moi. Chief Ibe, you have been my friend, but you know very little about me. Igwe Osombu, in his entire life, can never conceive, imagine anything against me. He can't do anything against me. You don't know me old.
Anyway, Chifama, you see, if I may advise, just suspend her in your anger. Your utterances are too harsh.
Suspend her because the Igwe can still take a rash decision against you. Not minding because of your relationship with him. He could be tolerant, but it can also be very, very rash.
Action, sir.
Chief Ibe, anything that a man is ignorant of plays God in his life. You don't know me, like I said. Let's allow things to play out. That's reformation. The reformation. it must happen. Let's watch and see.